Guys, round 3. This will be the last round until we pick it back up. 27 through 36. 0, 4, 5, 6, 1, 9, 3. Oh, these are the tickets that we went off of, guys, right there. Put that over here. I want to show the barcode. Alright, here we go. Alright, 20 times. Let's end this round with a nice bang. $16, $17, $2, $19, $7. I like the new $5 tickets that came out. Let me show you. I had scratched some of these. These two I lost off of them. This would take a while to do, but it'll be fun to do a full book pull, I feel, because right here I won $5 here, and on this side it was like $5, but that was it. And I went and got from another spot, another slot, or whatever how you want to call it. Didn't win, but I like it because you can match your numbers, right? So let's say we match 17 and we got I don't know, cherries, right? And it'll be double that prize. So on, you know, bells 3, star 4, gold bar 5, and then so on and so on. This is the prizes on here. I think this is when we could get a good 500 or claimer on here. I don't know why. We should give that a try, guys. 39 and 38. Of course, after we finish this one. Shouldn't take that long. 28, guys. We're already halfway. Not even halfway. What are we? It goes to 50, right? Yeah, halfway. More than half. Because we're on 36. A little more than half. 31. 13. 23. 10. 22. Got a win. 40. 5. 28. We got $10. Ticket 29. I'm going to go back to our penny, guys. Sorry, 14. I said crushed red peppers like it's stuck in my back of my throat. Should have drank a little more water. 15. 28. 35. 15. Oh, another one. 30. 11. Oh, okay. Yeah, it should be a $50 winner, guys. 33. Come on. I missed one. Unless, let's see, 33. Alright, here we go. 33. Nope. 11. 35. Have two 35s. Nope. 28. 28. 15. 6. It's usually always right in front of my face, guys. Right here. Right there. $50. There we go, guys. Tickets 30. Back to back, back to back. That was back to back, back to back to back. 27, 7, 2, 17, 9, 5, 8. Okay. 31, 25, 21. Guys, you don't always have, it's exciting finding the 20 times, but how many times? Whew, so many books, guys. I don't remember. 28. We've won 200 with like the money back or a match. So it's exciting finding the 20 times though. But all it takes is just one match too, guys. Let's see if we can find it. Find it 20 times with a big prize underneath it. 9, 25, 29, 3, 14, 28, 5, 33 right here. Big money, big money. Oops, I'm not showing off the prizes. Big money. 39, 16, 23, 15, 30, 3, 2, 34, 4, 36,